In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a listing from Zillow 2026 guide. If you're pausing a sale for a remodel or waiting for a better market window, taking your property off Zillow is quick and completely reversible. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, plus a few tips so you know what to expect as the status updates across the site. Start by heading to Zillow.com and signing in to the same account you used to list or claim the property. This matters because your listing controls are tied to that specific login. Once you're in, look to the top right corner for your profile icon and choose My Home. Think of My Home as your control center. It's where all properties link to your account live along with their settings and status. From the My Home dashboard, select the property you want to remove from active search results. When the page opens, make sure you're in Owner View. Public View shows what general visitors see, but Owner View unlocks your administrative tools. If you don't immediately see Owner View, look for a toggle or a button labeled Owner View and switch into it so you can access the management options. With Owner View active, locate the More button on the right side of the screen, click it to open a drop-down menu, then choose Cancel Listing. Zillow will ask you to pick a reason. Select No Longer for Sale. This is the best choice when you want to take the home off the market without losing your details. Your photos, description, and settings stay saved to your account so you can relaunch later without starting from scratch. To make it official, click Update Status. You'll usually find this near the bottom or on the right side of the page. After you confirm, your dashboard should reflect the change immediately, showing the listing as inactive. On the public side, it can take a little while for every page and search filter to catch up. Don't worry if you still spot the old status for a short time. Cached results typically clear within a few hours. A quick refresh can help, but the update will propagate on its own. That's it. You've removed your listing from active Zillow search while preserving all your data for the future. When the timing is right, you can return to My Home, switch back into Owner View, and bring the property live again in just a few clicks. And that is all for today. Taking your listing down is simple and allows you to relaunch whenever the timing is right. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.